Your home shoppers want the ability to customize their plans online, and adding an interactive floor plan to your website can be a great way to differentiate your digital shopping journey from other builders, and more importantly, from resale homes. BDX has been in the IFP business for over a decade, and during that time, we are constantly looking for new and innovative ways to improve our interactive products. From furniture placement and pricing calculators to incorporating Google Analytics and single sign-in options, we are always striving to make the user experience the best it can be. But our most recent changes really take our IFPs to another level. We have again updated the home shopper interface for a vastly improved user experience. A sleek new frameless design creates a seamless look on your site. The new 3D furniture library creates an even more accurate and realistic view of what a shopper's future home will look like. Users can now organize their selections by room or category and use enhanced visual references for their choices. Additionally, the new capability to display non-graphical elements and attach notes directly to selected items are truly game changers. Finally, a comparison tool, where users can compare different configurations and ultimately different plans to help finalize their decisions. The new interactive floor plans from BDX, you gotta check them out.